Hey guys, what is up? This is Tecktoid Animesh, and today, after a very long time, I'm back with a new unboxing. So today guys, you must be thinking what is the box and what does it say? Is it authentic code? So yeah, the main point that from long time I was doing a gameplay videos, and it was a long time since my last unboxing which I remember is the Nike Air Versatile, and I'm very happy to say that it has crossed approx 2k views in 1 month. So yeah, that's a great achievement for the channel. That's all because of you guys, so thank you each and every one of my regular viewers and the temporary viewers. Please subscribe. So yeah, coming to the point, this is my new watch which I'm going to be unbox. And yep guys, there's a small announcement or the information or the report that this unboxing has already been done approx 4 months ago, cause that's not my watch, that's my dad's watch which was gifted or which was purchased. So yeah, this watch was brought from out of India, and yep, of course, offline. So yeah, this watch is the brand Fossil, as you can see that way. Oh yeah, Fossil. So guys, as you know, Fossil is a big multinational company which promotes the lifestyle and the watches of itself, the smartwatches, etc. So today we are having a chronograph watch. So let's get to it. Let's see the box first. This box is a custom made box. So yeah, this comes with the watch itself, and at the bottom of the watch it says #culture_curious, the code of the box, the company Fossil, and from where you can purchase www.fossil.com. So yeah, let's unbox the watch, as from long time I'm saying that. Okay, so whoa, let's keep this thing aside. And yeah, this is a manual which comes often with the G-Shock watches, like big thick manual with different languages in, but the same content for the functioning of the watch. So as you can see, yeah, let's keep this thing aside. And yeah, the most awaited moment, this is the watch itself, and it is working right now. As you can see, it was in the box, unboxed before. So yeah, that's the disclaimer. And yeah, let's take out the watch from the box. Nothing much in the box. Ta-da. So yeah, this is the watch. Let me zoom in. So yeah, this is the watch itself, you can see. Now let's take out the watch from this. So yeah, as you have seen the watch, so please bear with me guys, as you know, the focus problem of the camera. So yeah, let me talk about the watch first. The watch has a dial color blue. Wait, the dial color is golden, and the strap color is blue. The case shape of the watch is what we say circle, of course round, and the material of the glass used is basic mineral material. So yeah, nothing much of the special material. The leather strap is premium leather, made up of premium leather. The watch movement type is of the quartz, no digital, only analog, and the chronograph itself. So yeah, the focus is totally pissed up. So yeah, the case material is stainless steel, and the diameter of the watch is 44 millimeters. It is water resistant up to 50 meters. The warranty time online is shown 2 years of international warranty. The department is of the men's watch. Brand is Fossil. The item number or the code by which you can find the watch online is Fossil FS-4835. Yeah, so it has a good premium look, and yeah, all things are explained. So yeah, let's further check the watch. Wow guys, the leather feel like still premium after 4 months, 4 long months. and my dad is wearing this almost every day. I mean, he's in love. This watch isn't made for regular use, I think, cause this is the party use. Oh my god, no Cam, just support my video. So yeah, let me zoom in. So it says all stainless steel, and the watch fossil, the water resistance is 4 atm, that is 50 meter or 5 hour. The material of the strap is premium leather. Sorry guys, the leather has turned black inside cause you know, I already told it is the regular use because. So yeah, let's see the front face of the watch. So as you can see, the front face, this is the chrome, and yeah, the watch is now stopped. We can just do the resetting of the watch, etc. So yeah, nothing much. And now the main part, how the chronograph works. For that I need to show you how the chronograph works. That must be clear. So let me set, like you can see the chronograph, for God's sake. So as you can see, I need to focus, focus, focus. So yep, the camera, shit, the video is pissed up. So yeah, my friend is talking. Don't talk, bro, it's the inside me. So yeah, let's talk about the chronograph. The chronograph starts like this. So this is the button to start the chronograph. This is the seconds needle, this is the minute I guess, and this is the hour. So yep, this watch looks classic and premium. The chronograph has started, let it be started. Till then, just wait and watch, and I'm talking to you. Don't talk, bro. So yep, let's stop the chronograph. From here itself, the chronograph stops. It is stopped. As you can see, the chronograph second needle is stopped, minute, hour, and this magical button will turn it away. So yeah, my crazy friend. So let's reset it. Whoa, that was quite satisfying. So yep, this button is meant to reset the watch, and yep, let me zoom out and show you the watch from all the way. So as compared to my watch, that's a cheap fast track watch, don't tell the secret, man. So as compared to my fast track, this watch is quite big but thin. So guys, as you can see, my fast track watch is quite thick but the dial is quite small. This is the opposite, the dial is quite thick, I mean the dial is quite big and the thickness is quite thin. I think you understood my point, my freaking point. So yeah, that's all for the video, that's all for the watches. Who needs this watch? So yep, it was my real watch. So yep, this is the watch itself. Let me zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. So yep, my freaking friend is freak up. So yeah, as you can see, this is the thread, and the thing which is here is this one. Push it to remove the strap, as easy as that. So yep, I think I can reset it, otherwise my dad will kill me. Of course. So yeah, this is the watch itself, the golden color. Nothing much, I'm just lengthening the video. So guys, if you're new, please subscribe, ring the notification bell for my upcoming video of this review of the fossil watch, and yep, stay tuned and like the video, comment down in the comment section how was the quality. And as you have seen my new friend, he will be in my, I will be in every video. So yeah, please Jill, get off. So yep, thank you for watching and have a great day.